In this video, I'm going to show you how to export and import bookmarks in Google Chrome. So we're going to start by heading over to the Google Chrome application, and then you need to click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side. From here, scroll down to Bookmarks and Lists, and then come across on the left and select Bookmarks Manager. Now in the top right hand side, you'll see these three vertical dots. Click on this, and from here we can select Export Bookmarks. Now all you need to do is select the folder or destination where you want to save this to. So I'm just going to save that over on my desktop, and then all we need to do is click on Save. So now that we've saved our bookmarks, we can easily import them again onto a different computer or a different device just by heading back over to this page and clicking on the three vertical dots, and then coming over to Import Bookmarks. And then from here, you just need to locate the file that we just saved, which is going to be this bookmarks.html here, and we can double click to import it. And just like that, you've now imported your bookmarks to Google Chrome. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.